Installation of a Roxtec FlamePlus transit. To install a Roxtec FlamePlus transit, you need two side sections of the Roxtec FlamePlus frame and eventual midsections to achieve the desired width. You also need Roxtec sealing modules, stay plates, wedge and lubricant, as well as a hammer, a spanner, sealant and a file. With most Roxtec rectangular transits, you can seal openings for both cables and pipes in different structures such as concrete, steel, gypsum or sandwich walls or floors. Mount the frame. Make or verify an aperture. Assemble the frame parts using the clips. Apply sealant suitable for the structure. Fasten the frame to the structure using self-tapping screws or rivets. Prepare the opening. Before routing cables or pipes, knock out the lid and remove any residue. Make sure the frame sealing surfaces are smooth and clean. Lubricate the sealing surfaces of the frame. Lubricate the corners thoroughly. Adapt the modules. Adapt the modules by peeling off layers. Achieve a 0.1 to 1 mm gap between the two halves when held against the cable or pipe. The number of layers may not differ by more than one between the corresponding module halves. Lubricate all sealing surfaces on the modules. Lubricate the sealing surfaces of the spare modules. Do not remove the core. Install the modules. Insert cables or pipes. Cables and pipes shall go parallel with the frame. Insert module halves. Insert a stay plate between every row of modules. Ensure that the modules are secured within the stay plate edges. Continue to fill the transit according to your packing plan. Before inserting the final row of modules, insert 2 stay plates. Separate the 2 stay plates and insert the final row of modules between the stay plates. A Roxtec pre-compression tool can be used to make room for the wedge if necessary. Tighten the seal. Lubricate the indicated areas of the wedge. Place the wedge according to the markings. Make sure the wedge is secured within the stay plate edges and the stop edge is flush with the frame. Tighten the screws alternately in small steps until full mechanical stop. Protruding excess lubricant indicates a tight seal. Attach the wedge clip. Make a final check. Approvals or certificates may include amendments or limitations related to this application. Disassembly and reinstallation. Untighten the screws alternately to full stop. Remove the wedge by lifting it over the stay plate using a flat tool. Remove the modules required. Clean the exposed sealing surfaces. Lubricate the exposed sealing surfaces. Lubricate the corners thoroughly and continue the reinstallation.